Let's talk about the bone broth topper by Furvor. We were sent this bottle for our review, and my goodness, I cannot wait to tell you all about it. First of all, what is it? Well, it's a beef bone broth. Yes, all natural ingredients, the best you can find for your pet. But it's also much, much more than just that. It's got added crude protein, crude fat, crude fiber, and even collagen. This is something that dogs of all ages will absolutely adore. And when I say adore, I mean it. Our Frenchie Walter goes crazy for this beef broth. This stuff is amazing on dry food like kibble because it really makes it wet, makes it tasty, makes it really easy to swallow as well, which is a great plus. And only 1 tablespoon of this added to the food, mixed in per 30 pounds. So if your dog is 30 pounds, like our little Frenchie, yeah, I know, he's 30 pounds, 1 little tablespoon will add all the benefits that he needs into his food. I'm telling you, a little bit goes a long way. And speaking of a little bit, you can even add this to water. Yes, it's not just for dry food or wet food, but you can add this to water and make your dog really enjoy drinking water. That's an incredible thing. So to recap, very simple. 1 teaspoon goes for 10-pound dog. Very easy, now you got the ratio. Just a little bit of drizzle on wet food does the trick. If you've got dry kibble, add a little bit of water and mix it in. And then the third way they can enjoy it is in their water. It's fantastic. Furvor knows exactly what they're doing. They've got a bunch of products available, not just this topper. By Furvor, the bone broth topper. It's awesome.